दोस्तों, welcome to our channel Gifts and More. Valentine's gift for teacher. First, zipper bottle. Second, handmade artificial flower. Third, customized pen with name. Fourth, caricature personalized gift. Fifth, bouquet of red roses and chocolates. Sixth, hollow bookmarks for reading. 7th, sling bag. 8th, diary with pen. 9th, crystal tree. 10th, bracelet. 11th, elephant tabletop showpiece. 12th, Lord Ganesha idol with tablecloth. 13th, leather belt. 14th, teaching pointer. 15th, lunch box. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.